What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. I know you're looking for cases for the new iPhone XS Max, the 6.5 inch. Hey, pick this one up. It's by Ranvoo. I'm checking out a bunch of these because I don't have my Max yet. And when I get it, I don't want to be sitting around waiting for cases. I want to try them out right away. Make sure they fit and they work well and protect my phone. So this is a pretty slim case. It is matte black, as you can see here. It's got that little soft velvety feel to it. Very light. You can see here how the buttons are cut into it, kind of just hinged right here, right? A big cutout for the mute switch. Again, the cutout here is just hinged on one side for the power button. We have just big slot cutouts for the lightning cable and then the speakers, not the small perforations. And then we also have some cuts here on the corner, which is going to allow you to put it on. No cuts on the top, only on the corner. And then you can see here around the camera we have just a little bit of a hump. And then inside, you know, no texturing or anything like that. Now, this is for the Max, as I just explained to you. And here is an iPhone 10, and I'll just kind of show you what the difference is, right? So that'll fit in there, and you can see how big of a difference that is. And so this is for the bigger one. I kind of like this, and again, I'm really only picking out really inexpensive cases because that's all I can afford. So this Ranvoo looks like it's going to be pretty nice. It's got a really nice feel, maybe a little bit slippery. I wouldn't call it slippery, but you know, it's not overly grippy. You know, it's not, I don't think it's adding any grip. In fact, kind of the glass here tends to, I don't know, I guess it's slippery when wet, but this has kind of a nice slick feel to it. Anyway, hey, I'll put a link to this one in the description if you want to pick one up. Peter from Panda out.